Hey there, welcome to my channel. I'm Daniel Norton, photographer here in New York City, and I'm asking you, how'd I light this? Well, I'm going to tell you how I lit it. Actually, I already asked you before. Did you answer? Who knows? We're going to find out now. This shot was literally a shot in the dark. I shot this years ago on the beach, and I wanted to kind of show this as an example of using what you have and creating a certain mood. So being down in Florida, which is where we are here, there's lots of sun and warmth and laughing on the beach, but there's also this vibe, this night vibe, right? And that's what I wanted to go for here. What we had done here is we actually went out to the beach after dark, and we kind of went out with a little flashlight, seeing where we were, and I, positioned my model as such, using the flashlight to be able to see her. Man, I wish I had some of the LED lights we have today, but I just had a little mag light. We got her in position where I thought she would be best. Then I came over and I placed my flash on a stand. Again, I'm doing all this in the dark. And I used an exposure that I knew would get me this. Okay? So we've talked about a black frame many times on the live streams and stuff. If I shot this, and I did do this, I shot a Polaroid first. If I shot this without my flash, it would be absolutely black, save for the lights in the background. So once I had that where I wanted it, it was just a matter of setting my flash to the right power to light her up. But there's one final part to this that I think really makes it. And that is the fact that I did two things. I used tungsten film, which when you use with daylight, which flash is, makes everything go a bit blue. And I also used a bit of a high speed film, which added more grain and contrast, which gives us this image that feels very kind of raw and crunchy, right? We've got, you can see the big chunks of grain on here, right? We see the imperfection. And that's part of the vibe of the shot. We're going for this raw imperfection. And we shot like maybe 5 shots here. And then people were actually walking down the beach. I don't know what they were doing on the beach. But let me just say, then people started like, whoa, because of course they saw the flash, right? So I was like, well, get out of here. And went to my bag. We like took off the beach and waited until we got the film back. And when we did, I was quite happy with what we got. What about you? Do you ever shoot things like this? How would you do a shot like this? Would you actually shoot it at night? Would you do some post-processing? I'd love to know. Let me know in the comments below. And while you're down there, check the description. If you check the description, you're going to find links to some of the gear I use. You'll find a link to my Discord server. And just above that, you'll see a little thing where you can like the video. If you want to do that, I do appreciate it. Like the video, subscribe, do all the good YouTube stuff. I'll talk to you soon.